Hello and welcome back. Today we have this GLE in for Moto Protect 7-year warranty PPF, which has 3-year anti-alloying warranty. Also, we are going to do interior pre-cut PPF on it. So अभी हमने इसका PPF का काम शुरू कर दिया है और जैसा कि आप लोग सब देख सकते हैं इसके काफ़ी सारे जो पैनल्स हैं वो अभी ऑलरेडी खोल चुके हैं हम लोग। जैसे कि ये क्रोम की गार्निश हटाते हैं ताकि जो यहाँ पे डस्ट डिपॉजिट्स हो जाती हैं ये डस्ट जो है पीपीएफ लगाने में नीचे ना उतरे, तो इसलिए ये ताकि क्लीनिंग प्रॉपर लाए और पीपीएफ अच्छी तरह अप्लाई हो। तो ये हमने क्रोम पैनल्स का निकाल दिया है, अभी ये वाला निकालना बाकी है। डोर हैंडल्स हमने इसके सारे निकाल दिए हैं। डोर हैंडल निकालने में मैं आपको एक खास बात बताऊं, ज़्यादातर लोगों को एक डाउट रहता है हर गाड़ी के साथ, क्योंकि नई गाड़ी लेता है इंसान तो वो नहीं चाहता कि उसके अंदर के डोर पैनल्स निकलें। तो हमने बगैर डोर पैनल खोले ही सारे डोर हैंडल्स निकाले हैं। डोर पैनल जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं सारे इंटैक्ट हैं, ये वाला साइड इंटैक्ट है, वो वाले भी निकल चुके हैं हैंडल्स, वाला भी सारा साइड इंटैक्ट है और ये आपके जो ओरिजिनल पार्ट्स हैं ये निकले हुए रखे हैं। So welcome back guys. As I told earlier, this DLE came to us for 7-year warranty PPF and this has now been done and completely protected with our Ultimate Series PPF, which has 7-year warranty on bubbling, chipping and cracking. Also you can see we have applied the interior pre-cut PPF on all the panels and the vehicle is now being protected with minor scratches and swirl marks. Also PPF helps you maintain your car as it is in the showroom condition, no matter how much time you keep it. And this also prevents from rock chipping when you are driving on highways. Now I'm going to show you how our PPF is being applied and what is the final finish of our PPF and how PPF proper edging matters. If you can see the vehicle from here, there is no such edging marks or there is nowhere where the PPF is coming out. Usually we see very uneven cutting on the PPF, which usually looks very ugly on the vehicles. So this part is completely tucked in and this part is also completely tucked in. Even the bonnet, there is no improper edging. Proper edging has been done. And moving on to the side, here also you can see proper edging is being done. You cannot make out whether the vehicle is being done with PPF or not. Again you see proper edging. There are no bubbles and there is no improper edging on it. We have done the side mirror PPF too, and we have also done PPF on this side panels and the quarter panel. So if you check the quarter panel and the gate, there is no improper edging. Usually improper PPF comes out from here or from these edges. Moving on to the back side, the back side bumper is done in single piece. Even the front bumper is done in single piece. We don't do PPF in joints. So make sure whenever you are getting PPF for your car, you get the PPF done from the right place and you choose the right PPF. Also, there should not be any joints on the PPF. So you can move through the entire vehicle and you will find no joints on it. Regarding the interior PPF which I was talking about, interior PPF comes pre-cut and that plays a very tricky part in applying. So whenever you are applying interior PPF, you need to make sure that no water gets inside the electronic panels, or else it would damper or it can also damage the electronic panels, and that can be problematic. So we have applied interior PPF on this entire panel. All vehicles have different interiors and all vehicles have different pre-cut settings. So this is how the pre-cut interior works. This is the blueprint for GLE pre-cut PPF. For different vehicles it would be different blueprints. So where I'll be showing you this is the part where the AC vents are there, and these are the door panels, and these are the side handles. This is the center console which we have applied, and these are the steering wheel panels. So these are from the right and left side, and this is the U which comes here. This panel over here is on the right side where you have your light controls, and these are the small buttons which you get here for seat adjustments. So make sure that when applying the PPF here, you won't hamper any electronics and the water doesn't go inside these electronic parts. Also, we have applied PPF on this entire screen. If you want to make your car look like brand new car till the time you keep it, like 5 to 7 years or 10 years, you come visit us at our store, the Adventure Garage Bhopal, which is situated at Koifeza Main Road in front of Collected Office, Bhopal. My contact number is 95608 15118. Thank you.